Title: Ben and Pandy's Amazing Adventure. In a cozy town nestled between lush green hills and sparkling blue lakes, a young boy named Ben lived with his parents and his best friend, a playful panda named Pandy. Ben and Pandy were inseparable, spending their days exploring the woods, playing games, and imagining fantastic adventures. Character descriptions: Ben, a curious and adventurous boy who loves nature and animals. He is always looking for new adventures and loves solving puzzles. Pandy, a friendly and playful panda who is Ben's best friend. Pandy is full of energy, loves to eat bamboo, and always has a big heart. Leela, a wise and magical forest fairy who guides Ben and Pandy on their adventures. Mr. Grumble, a grumpy but kind-hearted old turtle who lives by the lake and often gives Ben and Pandy useful advice. The Mischief Makers, a group of mischievous raccoons who love to play tricks but are harmless and good-natured. Plot outline: The discovery. One sunny morning, while playing near the edge of the forest, Ben and Pandy discover a hidden path they've never seen before. Their curiosity gets the better of them, and they decide to follow it, entering the enchanted forest. The path leads them to an enchanted part of the forest where everything is more vibrant and magical. Flowers glow, trees whisper, and animals talk. Meeting Leela, Ben and Pandy meet Leela, the forest fairy, who tells them about a lost treasure hidden somewhere in the enchanted forest. The treasure is said to have the power to protect the forest forever. The quest begins. Excited about the adventure, Ben and Pandy decide to find the treasure. Leela gives them a magical map that only reveals itself when they solve riddles and help the forest creatures, helping Mr. Grumble. Their first challenge is to help Mr. Grumble the turtle, who has lost his favorite hat. They find the hat stuck in a tree and return it to Mr. Grumble, who gives them the first clue to the treasure. The Mischief Makers. Next, they encounter the Mischief Makers, a group of raccoons who have hidden the second clue. Ben and Pandy outsmart the raccoons in a fun game of hide and seek to get the clue. Brave river crossing. They reach a fast-flowing river with no bridge. Using teamwork, Pandy helps Ben build a raft, and they safely cross the river, where they find the third clue. The final challenge. The last clue leads them to a giant, ancient tree with a hidden door. To open it, they must solve a puzzle by arranging magical stones in the correct order, finding the treasure. Inside the tree, they discover the treasure, a glowing crystal heart that pulses with magical energy. Leela appears and explains that the heart will protect the forest from any harm. Celebration. Ben and Pandy return the crystal heart to Leela, and the entire forest comes alive in celebration. Flowers bloom brighter, animals cheer, and the forest is filled with joy. Returning home. As the sun sets, Ben and Pandy return home, tired but happy. They promise to return to the enchanted forest for more adventures and say goodbye to their new friends. Themes: Friendship. The strong bond between Ben and Pandy shows how teamwork and loyalty can overcome any challenge. Courage and curiosity encourages kids to be brave and curious. Exploring the world around them, helping others, highlights the importance of helping those in need and the rewards of kindness.